Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you archive items in Facebook. So if you want to archive items in Facebook, you have to find the post or content that you want to archive. But before we move on, make sure to update the app to the latest version. So what you need to do is here, open up your respective app store, type in Facebook on the search bar and look for the application and update it. So also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now then, to begin with, open the Facebook application and then you want to select or look for the post that you wish to archive. So let's see, this is the content that you want to archive, right? So click on the three dot icon right on top and then you could find these archive section. So then tap on the three dot icon and you could find these move to archive section. So all you need to do is just go ahead and toggle the button for it, and you want to then go ahead and open. You could also do this by opening your profile picture and then go to the profile section, and if you go ahead and tap or locate the profile, tap on the three dot icon and there you have these move to archive section. So this way you'll be able to add profile, and if you want to locate the archive section, you want to tap on the three dot icon and then go to the archive section, and then if you want to archive, you want to tap on it and then click on restore to profile. So this way you'll be able to archive post on Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.